Today we're taking a look at this two-in-one doggy step ramp as well as a foldable ottoman or stool. And when it's folded up as a stool, it's about 18 inches high. And when you undo it, it'll be more like 17. And it's got these four wooden legs that you can cover up. They provide a padding, so just in case you have a hardwood floor, that won't scuff. And it took about maybe 2 minutes. That's about the only installation that you'll need to do, screwing in those legs. So when it's folded up out of place, it looks as a nice, stylish piece of furniture, ottoman, with a durable fabric.
Who's out there, Tigger?
My dog loves looking out the window during the day, so we can use it for that. Otherwise, you can unfold it, and it will double as a doggy ramp. So we'll go ahead and do that. The base of it, you're going to put that against whatever piece of furniture you want them going up and down the ramp, and it provides a nice stable surface with a durable carpet on there as well. And there's some nice kind of brass hinges. They look pretty durable, function as you would expect them to. So my dog is pretty new to this, and I'm just trying to get him accustomed to it. He's still quite unsure about it. You just have to keep going over it with them, like manually placing them to go up and down it. You can also try to coax them with treats, but eventually they'll get that. My dog is pretty smart. I've been able to train him to do things, and the repetition of him doing the same thing over and over, eventually it will click like a light bulb, and this will be utilized now that he's 5 and he's getting a little bit older. I just want things to be a little bit easier for him as far as the physicality and wear and tear of jumping up and down furniture that's a little high. I just want him to be a little bit more careful as far as that and just doing things to make their lives easier as they become older. And you just want the best for them, and this is a good option. And I think it just looks like a pretty stylish piece of furniture to complement any room in your home. And it can also be used as for humans for sitting on as well.